Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies to sell, step by step. First, research your local food safety regulations and obtain any necessary permits for selling food from home. Next, develop and perfect your unique cookie recipes, ensuring consistent quality and deliciousness. Finally, calculate all your ingredient costs and set competitive prices that reflect your hard work and premium ingredients. This foundational work is crucial for a successful start. Now, let's talk about the baking process itself. Always use the highest quality ingredients and measure precisely to ensure every batch of cookies is perfect. Develop an efficient baking workflow to handle larger orders without compromising quality. Once baked, package your cookies in attractive, food-safe materials that keep them fresh and presentable. Consider branding your packaging to make your cookies stand out. With your delicious cookies ready, it's time to market them. Establish a strong brand identity and build an engaging presence on social media platforms. Offer samples at local events or farmers markets to let people taste your amazing creations. Consider setting up an easy-to-use online ordering system to make purchasing convenient for your customers. Word of mouth and great visuals are key to growing your business. Finally, let's discuss scaling your cookie business for long-term success. Always seek customer feedback to refine your recipes and enhance your service. Look into wholesale opportunities with local cafes or specialty food stores to expand your reach. Remember, consistent quality and excellent customer service are vital for growth. And hey, while you're building your empire, make sure your ride smells great too. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.